What's going on, guys? We're doing kind of a run and gun style video today. We are on our way to a customer's house to work on his brand new Lexus RX350. Just got it, hasn't even gotten his license plate yet, and doesn't know how it happened, but somebody put a crease in his right rear door right across the body line, and it's about 6 inches long on this nice metallic silver. So obviously saving this paint, being that it's original and it's a brand new car, is a top priority. So we're fixing this with a paintless dent repair today. That is all we do here. If you're new to the channel, we do paintless dent repair. We're going to repair this with no body filler and no paint. So we're on our way to his house now. When we get there, we'll take some video of the damage, and then we'll show the finished results at the end.
So at the beginning of the video, we had said this was a 6-inch crease, but after getting to the job and taking a measurement, it was actually closer to 10 inches, which is still not a problem, totally within the realm of a paintless dent repair. Now we've set up our light here so that we can get a detailed look at the damage, which is going to help us during the repair. And you can see the dent does cross that body line a little bit, so we're going to have a little bit of work to do there as well. So before we get too deep into this repair, I want to take a few seconds to talk about Unda Engineering. Now they sent me these boots. These are oil-resistant steel-toed boots. They sell PPE products on Amazon, and PPE stands for personal protective equipment, if you didn't already know that. And these boots, for example, I've been wearing for the last few days, and I really like them. Work in a lot of mechanic shops, as you might expect, and the oil on the ground and everything, I haven't been slipping and sliding all over the place, and I work with a lot of different tools that I definitely would not want to drop on my foot. I could get seriously injured, so I really am liking these boots a lot. But they don't just sell boots, they sell other PPE types of clothing. They have cut-resistant gloves, welding gloves, all different kinds of things, so definitely check them out online. We'll have a link in the description below for where you can pick up these boots and search for other Unda products. Okay, so getting back to the repair, we are going to peel back this rubber molding that goes right inside the door jamb, revealing 2 holes there that we're going to use to access the back side of the damage. Now, this first tool we're going to use is going to get us to the first few inches of the damage. So we're going to go inside the door, and then we're going to start to gently massage the metal back out from the inside. So we're just going to repeat the process again, just using a different tool. We've picked out one that's a little bit longer, has a little bit of a sharper tip on it, so we can fine tune that damage. And it's going to allow us to get further into the door all the way to where that body line is, and then we'll start repairing that as well. At this point, we finished the repair, so we're going to go ahead and do a slow pan and let you see how it turned out now that everything's completed. Customer came out and looked at it and was completely blown away and was really happy to have been able to save his original paint. He did not want to go to a body shop and have them try to match this paint and end up with body filler in the door. And as I mentioned before, this is a paintless repair, so everything stays original.
All right, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. It means a lot. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel, as that really helps us out a lot, and we would appreciate all the support. Also, if you have a dent on your vehicle and you would like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair, you can find us online at dentrepairgeorgia.com. You can fill out a form there to get a free quote, submit pictures, all of that, and we'd love to take care of it for you. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.